Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will tell you about how to install MIUI 12 in Redmi 5 Pro Z. This is another patch 20.4.30 patch available for Redmi 5 Pro Z with many bugs fixed. Here you can see the MIUI 12. Click on next. Languages available for MIUI 12 are these. Wi-Fi is okay working. In this video I will tell you about the bugs in MIUI 12 and the features. Almost all the bugs have been fixed, but there are few bugs which need to be fixed. These will be fixed soon. We will also do the PUBG test. Let's check the bugs available in this ROM. Or Volt working, 4G working, Geo working. Volt and 4G is working. Now go to setting. I will check the specification. Here you can see all specification. MIUI 12 20.4.30 beta version for Redmi 5, ported for Redmi 5. Screen size 5.7 inches, resolution, battery Snapdragon 450. Here you will get the Android version 9 Pie. Android 10 has been removed due to many bugs. In Android 9 version you will face few bugs than Android 10. Night for kernel. Now let's check the specification and features and bugs. Wi-Fi. Let's check the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is okay working, 100% working. Bluetooth is okay working. Now let's check hotspot of our device. Now here you can see hotspot is okay working, no problem in hotspot. Updater keep stopping. Here is the problem. There may be bugs on Bluetooth audio devices, not in transferring data. Now let's check to lock screen. Double tap to wake up or turn off the screen. Let's check. Here you can see it is okay working. Here you can see double tap to turn off the screen. On the screen is okay working, no problem. Lock screen format okay working, no issue. Password and security. Let's check the password and security. Fingerprint, how much fast is the fingerprint? Got it. Let's check the fingerprint. Fingerprint easily working, no problem. Now let's check the speed. Touch, open, touch, open. Fingerprint is slow. Now let's check the face unlock. Is face unlock working or not? Next is loading camera. Actually face unlock is not working. We could not add face unlock. Like in my previous video I have already told, we cannot add face unlock right now. It is not yet stable in beta version also. Could not add face data. Backup and restore lock screen in seconds phase. Okay working bilkul. Updater keeps stopping. Here is the bug. Now let's check the brightness level. From here brightness level is not working. From status bar it is okay working. Here you can see brightness is okay working, no problem. From here it is not working. Automatic brightness is not working. You have to manually change the brightness. Now let's check the color scheme. Color scheme is okay working. Here you can see standard, warm, cool. It is okay working, no problem. Now let's check the dark mode. Dark mode is okay working, no problem. No bug in dark mode. Everything is working fine. You can change the DP if you want to fix the status bar issue. Status bar. Now let's check status bar. Status bar icon speed, connection speed, battery indicator percentage 100%. Here you can see full screen mode, full screen display. Here are the gestures Android. Now let's check the gestures. It is Android 10 or Android 9. It is Android 9 gestures, not Android 10. You don't get any Android 10 gestures in Android 9 version. It is same as MIUI 11. Now let's check the sound. Sound is okay working, no problem. Here you can vibration is okay working. I have already checked the vibration and sound. Both are working. Additional touch sound is okay working, no problem. Themes, wallpaper, notification. Now let's check the wallpapers. System wallpapers. Here you get the wallpapers. Here is the Mars wallpapers. You can see the live wallpapers. Let's apply the wallpaper. Lock screen. Here you can see wallpaper is okay working. We can easily apply the wallpaper. Mars wallpaper. University of Arizona, NASA. These are not live wallpapers. Themes, here you can see the themes, my themes. There are only two themes. You can easily import all themes. Here you can download the themes. Battery backup is better than Android 10. Hi AI is your smart assistant. Here is our smart assistant. Wake voice will work only in the Chinese language. I don't know what is this. It is okay working but in Chinese only. You cannot change the language of MIAI. You have to speak only Chinese language to use MIAI. I have already made the detailed video about this ROM and features. You can check the video. Link is in the description. Now let's check the PUBG test.